Hello, how you doing? Look, I'm not going to keep you long today. Really simple, easy spaghetti. In here, I've got a nice quality olive oil, quite a lot, because this is going to be basically the sauce. So I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Reduce that down if you want. Like a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon chili flakes, 3 olives, taking the stones out, salt and pepper. Medium heat, 2 minutes. Then what we're going to do is get our pasta. I'm using spaghetti. There's about 3 or 4 cups there of cooked spaghetti. We're going to be tossing this around for 3 to 4 minutes again. Fabulous. Off goes the heat. I've got a tablespoon or so of Parmesan. I've got a tablespoon or so of chopped parsley. I'm going to give that one more mix. See you at the table. Job done. Easy peasy. Quick, easy, delicious. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.